We're out in Carillon Lakes, and I can't wait to show you this 2-bedroom, 2-bath carriage home that is lakefront. You're not going to believe the amazing views. Let's go take a look. So when you first walk in, you're going to see how nice and open this design is. It's got luxury vinyl plank flooring. The dining area has double windows overlooking the lake. When you walk into the kitchen nook area, it's also a great place to enjoy your coffee, read your devotional, overlooking the water. So the kitchen has granite countertops, GE Profile Edition appliances that are stainless steel. It's got a beautiful backsplash, and again, the luxury vinyl plank flooring carries throughout for great ease of use. When you walk out this French door, you're going to walk into the lanai, which has absolutely beautiful water views. You talk about a place that just screams peace, tranquility. This is a gorgeous area. Hang out here, enjoy your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, have some quiet time out here. Get away from all the noise of the world. Sit out here and just overlook this water and just enjoy God's beauty. It features 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, plus an office or sitting room. The master bedroom is on the left-hand side of the home. I love walking in here and seeing this gorgeous double windows overlooking the water. Imagine waking up here in the morning, opening up the blinds and just looking at that gorgeous view. There's also a French door that'll take you out into the lanai if you want to go out that way. The master bathroom has double sinks, shower, toilet room area. Another great feature of this property is the sitting room area. You can close these double doors here. It's an ideal separate sitting room for conversations with your guests, with your family, or you could put a desk here if you want to have another office. It's got beautiful shutters covering the windows, and it's just a nice warm area. Now heading down this end of the hall, you've got the other full bathroom. As you walk down the right-hand hall, you're going to see the computer nook. Walking back here, you have the other guest room with a Murphy bed, which is wonderful for having guests over. Another great feature about this home is it has an oversized 2-car garage. Just remember, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.